To connect Binance to MetaTrader 5, you will need to create a Binance account and a MetaTrader 5 account. Start by going to the Binance website and signing up for an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information and verify your email address. Next, download and install MetaTrader 5 on your computer. Once installed, open the platform and create a new account or log in to an existing one. In MetaTrader 5, navigate to the Settings section and select the option to connect to a broker. Choose Binance as your broker and enter your Binance API key and secret key. To obtain your API key and secret key, log into your Binance account and navigate to the API Management section. Create a new API and give it a label. Then select the permissions you want to grant to MetaTrader 5. Copy the API key and secret key and paste them into MetaTrader 5. Once you have entered your API key and secret key, click Connect to establish the connection between Binance and MetaTrader 5. You will then be able to view your Binance account balance and trade history in MetaTrader 5. To start trading, navigate to the Market Watch section and select the currency pair you want to trade. Then, open a new order and set the parameters for your trade, including the type of order, the volume, and the price. Click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. It is essential to use proper risk management techniques when trading with MetaTrader 5 and Binance. Set stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in profits. Monitor your trades closely and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you can connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 and start trading cryptocurrencies. Remember to always use caution and follow best practices when trading with any platform.